Oh, 99 bucks, absolutely well spent. And maybe it took me about an hour with filming to do the install. So it was a pretty simple install. Those were a little bit tricky, but otherwise it's a pretty simple, pretty straightforward installation. No check engine lights, at least not yet. Let's get some outside, under the hood so you can really hear it outside the truck. Because, dude, it's loud as hell inside the truck. Oh, it's so awesome. Woo! Holy shit, that's loud, dude. Oh my God, that's amazing. Do it one more time. Oh. Woo! All right, let's hear this blow-off valve. Whoa. Holy crap. Slow launch.
$30, $60.
So you can't hear the blow-off valve on the upshifts, but definitely when you let off, you hear it.